Abusia for more be about so Jaman Scafi so and also Jaman TV so subscribe to channel na mame like video no na share said by ya only be insurance abeka video ni media boom. Yes, Abusia na Thursday ni ehwe de offer no pa game no. We are born sharp time no eh be tie. Yehwe setup we transfer from Golden Souvenir. Yes. Golden Souvenir. I think the last week me try setup we na at 49 on kwa. Yes, and the following week call the following event no. If event number 1694 auto 30 wa ha. 1 2 3 no abeto 28. We are 76. We are normal 64 64. We are normal 36. We are pe no abeto 49 49 49 49. So nti also we there yemfa 49 and was 71 our machine. Okay. It was over there yemfa event enkodi. It also bonus as 64 year to high or jump by free ball. So or jump by her free banker. You the way 56 also. Yes, into open me event na no 56 64 no. 56 64 no. $22 and so also come. Oba current na say no aye no. Into obeto 30 no ewa hade mai. Into 1 2 3 no abeto 28 ede amai. We are 76. We epe eno mai 64 64. We are oma 36 36. We epe eno abeto 49 49. Eno asewo 71 ewa machine. Yes. Nti waso we there yemfa event enkodi. Yemfa event enkodi. Okay. Yemfa second setup way. And also transfer from national event number 1910 and also my 30 no I say 17 we are 57 we are 83 we are now about 36 no our had ya my we are now 25 25 we are 53 no I say 21 we are 36 no about 10 63 so on our second box position into where we there was yemfa event enkodi into bo 36 wa jampo aba and I say 63 no and turning back 36 free banker. Yes, into or the basin there yemfa nkotwa 76 and so we were last, we were fourth, we were center, we were second, and the first box position which is 76 a free banker yemfa nkotwa 36 $2. So yes, I just also and also her current na say no be share no obeto 30 no edemai we are 57 the 30 no say 17 our machine we are 57 we are pe no obeto 83 9 we are normal 36 no 36 so we are 25 25 we are 53 pe and obeto 63 so yes into not say sa pepe and washisha into these two events no na ya de board juma wa hanu kama okay if we are na ya ye best 5 na ya ye best 3 na akofo $2 which is 76 36 76 36 na ya fa 76 na say free banker enti opese utwa game no so emfa ba bia say ubeba so jaman ubeba ya kachi ha na yetwa ma kama la ya kachi ha no na yetwa ma kama ofa 0599212255 Sister Selena 0246898449 and 0544237828 and 0256654614 and also Sister Linda. To mu nyina we are on be twa ma kama opese se jama mi anka se metwa ma so fa me number 0593673300 me hwe na metwa ma kama okay na same any ebenya for your full game no said me ka kire wo no nti open me 2 pm no 2 event no kaboma no yi best 5 no yi best 3 na offer you $2 nyame nka ho bye bye.